Hey everybody, welcome to Financial Jojo. My name is Josh, and let's see what the market update is today. Stocks were rocked last week with the Dow seeing its worst day of the year on Thursday. The three major averages were lower for the week, with the Dow down 1.8%, the Nasdaq down 1.7%, and the S&P down 1.5%. Energy, communication services, and financials were the worst performing sectors of the week. All right, let's jump into earnings that are going to be reported this week. Here's just a few that I'm looking at. On Tuesday, we have Virgin Galactic Holdings, SPCE. We also have Home Depot and Macy's. For Wednesday, we have Clover Health Investments. Of course, you Reddit fans out there know what's up. Meme Stock Yo and Skills. On Thursday, we're looking at Baba, Square, Coinbase, Beyond Meat, Rocket, Etsy, and we have Zomedica Pharmaceuticals on Friday. All right, in our first article, let's see what I'm looking at for positive catalyst in the upcoming week. COVID cases are down 65% in the last 14 days, and they have declined more than 80% from their peak in mid-January. We're still seeing about 80,000 cases a day reported, but you can see that from the peak, substantial decline in cases. And we can see in the different states, this is the Omicron variant running its course. And of course, we're still seeing hotspots in Kentucky and Tennessee. And then states like New York have started to lower their average daily cases. All right, on to the negative catalyst up for the upcoming week. The Ukraine-Russia crisis continues to hammer stock futures, stocks in general. And with all this fear in the market, we're starting to see some pullback. The S&P is a risk at a 6.2% drop in this article. I could see anywhere from a 6 to 10% drop in the overall market. As we can see in this article, it continues to reiterate that same point. This analyst sees a 9.6 to 10.2 worst case scenario respective declines for the Nasdaq and Russell 2000. So in this article, we see President Putin had ordered forces in the rebel eastern Ukrainian regions after recognizing their independence. He had ordered 2 troops in a breakaway region of eastern Ukraine after announcing Monday evening that he would recognize their independence. The U.S. and the European allies have warned that Putin's recognition of the separatist regions in Ukraine will serve as a possible prelude to Russia's invasion. The European leaders have condemned Putin's announcement, calling it a blatant violation of international law. And as we can see, the markets did not like this latest change with the Russian and Ukraine crisis. The Dow is down 462 points. The S&P is down 71 points. We have the Nasdaq futures down 320 points, 317. The Russell 2000 down 34 points currently. And other markets did not fare any better. As we can see, Asian markets down, European markets down. So that brings me on to commodities. So we're having nice little pop in oil, gas. And these, of course, are going to be your plays that you want to be in when there's growing tensions. All right, away from the doom and gloom of the Russian and Ukraine crisis that's currently going on, the U.S. Federal Reserve officials have banned investing in bonds, securities, cryptos, commodities, and they will also options and all of those to avoid conflict of interest, just because the Federal Reserve officials believe that they can alter the U.S. market for their benefit with insider knowledge. The report writes, under the new rules, senior Federal Reserve officers are prohibited from purchasing individual stocks or sector funds, holding investments in individual bonds, agency currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, or foreign currencies, enter into derivative contracts, or engage in short sales or purchasing securities on margin. They will also be required to provide 45 days non-retractable notice for purchasing and sales of securities. And this press release was released on the 18th, which shows that they had formally adopted the comprehensive new rules for investing and trading activities. All right, thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to click the Moo link down below. Get up to 5 free stocks, plus get a free share of Lucid when you use my link and you trade or deposit $100 or more. And I also have my Gemini link down there. When you trade $100 worth, you can get $10 in free Bitcoin. I got that link below. And also that Gemini dollar, that 8.05% interest for staking. Awesome. Love it. That's what I'm doing over there. Like I said, you guys have a great day. Thank you.